On March 2nd, 2025, around 6:34 p.m., a WSP trooper attempted to stop a vehicle for a license plate violation. The following video is what ensued.
No advised vehicles taking off eastbound on Austin Lake. Well, attempt to get a sergeant naked.
Vehicle there, I'll be in pursuit. Speeds are 76, no traffic. My siren's not functioning. Okay.
No advised P26, no traffic siren is malfunctioning. You can get there from.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Mine off at Lake off 99.
Case Road 121.
Tell me where we're at. Zoom in.
Case Road.
Where are we at, Britton?
Off 99 off at Lake OFFUT. Keep zooming in so you can find old Highway 99. We're passing Bronson Street on off at Lake. Speeds 55.
I'm just gonna put it off the lake.
Unknown passenger, unknown driver. It's a black Dodge Caravan with damage to the rear.
No advised passing Bronson, speeds 55, unknown driver, unknown passenger. Will be a black Dodge van with damage to rear, 1835.
I need you to pull alongside.
Yep.
185, I'm monitoring.
Speeds are 30. Can we notify county? They're driving erratically, swerving into oncoming and then back into their lane. Slow enough to pit. No traffic.
No advised speed slow enough to pit with no
Shots
traffic.
happen, run away.
Okay.
Footbail.
At the conclusion of the investigation, the subject was booked into the Thurston County Jail for DUI and felony eluding. If you are interested in a career with the Washington State Patrol, check out our link below.